What's up, YouTube? If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you find this content useful and valuable, do not forget to give me a like, please. If you're new here, my name's Donovan Spear. I'm an affiliate marketer, and I've created this YouTube channel specifically as a training platform to teach people online how to make money for free. So, if you're new, go ahead and you're gonna be lost. You're not gonna know what's going on. So I suggest you go back here to day 0. You see it right here. Under this description right here, there's how to make 6 figures a year in 90 days or less playlist. Go ahead and click that. That's gonna take you to this. And look, as you see, I got day 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, we're on day 8 right now. You're gonna want to go back right here, if you can see, to day 0, okay? And it's going to go overview and tell you a little bit about what this is. Or you can watch this. You're just going to be lost. But I suggest you go back day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. Let me go ahead and click over here. Now, if you've been following along, you know that we've already done our Facebook Reels. We've done our Instagram Reels, which is my bread and butter. Creating a brand. You want to create a brand. TikTok. And now we're on YouTube Shorts. So I'm going to do the Shorts today. And then tomorrow, what's today? Monday? Wednesday, I'll do how to create a YouTube channel just like mine. So I'm going to show you how to do the little background, the background cover art, how to customize it, you know what I mean? All that jazz. And we're going to get you going. That's a long-term goal. Your YouTube channel is a long-term goal. You don't have to do it, but I highly suggest it. It's going to be a crucial part of your funnel, okay? So let's jump straight into YouTube Shorts and get that going. I already got a video created. You should be posting on all platforms with those multiple emails we went over. You want to flood the market with as much content as possible. So, let me pause my screen and we're going to jump straight into it. Alright, I got it up and running. So basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have the YouTube app and the YouTube Studio app. And I'm going to show you why here in a second. You're going to want the YouTube the YouTube original app to download, from CapCut, how we've been doing on all the other platforms, and then YouTube Studio to edit it. So go ahead and go into your YouTube app. I've been getting the motivational videos in the morning right there. Get me pumped up for the gym. I just left the gym. It's 5 a.m., baby. Let's go. Go ahead and in the top right.
There's not a day.
Alright, I don't know what happened there. So, okay, you're going to want to go to your YouTube app. Hit in the top right corner up here, you see your little profile. Make sure you are signed into your first email. Remember, you have multiple emails for multiple accounts on multiple platforms. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're signed into your right one, okay? Then you're going to want to go to the little plus sign in the middle down below. Create short. Once that pops up, you're going to see that your saved images. So you're going to want to already have from CapCut. See this one? I already got it. I already made it and exported it on here and saved it to my phone, so it's ready to roll. So basically, go back to YouTube. I keep forgetting I can't click on it on my computer. Go to YouTube. Select that, the one you want. Here's mine. Okay. You'll be directing them to your website. I'm directing them to my YouTube, unless you've already created a YouTube channel, which we haven't went over yet. But that's what we're going to be doing. Now, what I figured out on YouTube, when you select music on YouTube, I haven't really found a way. Maybe they've changed it. When you select music, it cuts your voice out. So I'm going to see when you add sound up here, it cuts your voice out. Which this one I'm not talking in anyway. I'm just pointing and doing. Let me go ahead and select a sound. This one's really popular. It's Billie Eilish. Hit next. Now you're going to want this, your copywriting skills want to be on point. So you're going to want to grab their attention through the thumbnail, which is pretty good. My thumbnail is work 1 to 2 hours per day and earn 6 figures. That's pretty good. That's enticing to me. It was enticing to me when I first started. I jumped on that, you know. Capturing your short. Now, next is your title. You're going to want a nice hook. So, hold on. I want to test this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here. To my lead gen secret. And I'm going to look at the mail statistics and the open rate through my email and pick one of the highest ones and use it as my title and see if that gets any good views. And I'm going to start basing my titles off my open rates and stuff on my emails. I'm going to try that out. I'm going to see what's up. Statistics. Okay. Huh. Skills to have unlimited income. Skills to having, that's what I'm doing. Has a 12% rate, 8.58 click rate. Yeah, I'm doing that. Okay, guys, give me 1 second. Still trying to figure this out. Unpin, pin it back, hit that. Okay. Skills to have unlimited income for life. Boom. And then you're going to want to set your visibility to private and select your audience and no kids. Not made for kids. Go back, hit upload short. Make sure the visibility is on private. Okay. Boom. Now what you're going to want to do is go to YouTube Studio. Remember, you have to have both. One to upload the app, one to edit it. There it is right there. Oh, no, it's not. Shorts. There it is right there. Skills to have. It's still, loading. Okay. Then you're going to hit that little pencil button up there. That's to edit. Add description. Want to learn how to earn unlimited income for life, working 1 to 2 hours per day. Go here for free training. Then you're going to want to put your website or your URL you got off Namecheap. I'm going to go ahead and enter mine right now. And then I'm going to put a few hashtags. I'm going to see unlimited income if they have that. Nah, it's not that good. Work from home. Boom. Passive income, because that's what it is, baby. We're all about that passive. Multiple streams of income. And we're going to do some side hustle. Boom. Go back. We're going to enter some tags. Work from home. Make money online. WFH, work from home. That's also another one. Passive income. Affiliate marketing. There we go. Boom, boom, not made for kids. I'm going to add this to my playlist of shorts. Then you're going to want to hit visibility, public, and then go back, and then it'll download it on there. But what I'm going to do is, because once you have a YouTube channel, or once you start getting shorts uploaded, you can look at your analytics and see when your viewers are mostly online. Mine seem to be around 9 a.m. to noon is when most of my viewers are on. So I'm going to say schedule. We're going to go December 19th. Okay. And I'm going to put mine, let's go 9:30. Can't go 9:30. We'll go 10 a.m. I'm going to drop this. 9, 10 a.m. Okay. Save. Done deal, guys. That's how you do it. Yeah, you're going to see, look, you're going to want to be consistent with this, guys. 1.2, I got 1,000 views right here 7 days ago, 34, you're going to want to make sure you guys are staying consistent with this. Yeah, and I'm going to test this out. We're going to see how well this does, this split testing it on our emails, and then converting it over to YouTube and see, how good that does. I think it'll be a fun little test. But we're gonna go over long-term YouTube on the next video. So I'm gonna show you how to create your background, your customization of your channel art, where to go to do that, how to do that, step by step, click by click. You know how we do. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you found it valuable. Do not forget to hit subscribes if you're a G. I appreciate it, guys. Y'all are great. Appreciate the support. I'll leave my number on this video. You'll see it on the bottom the bottom banner. Text me anytime. Any questions you might have. Any questions. It doesn't matter. I'll get to you. I get a lot of them. So just give it some time. Yeah, but until next time, guys, be consistent. Keep churning it out. The new year's starting to hit, so things are starting to pick way up. They slowed down a little bit because of the holiday season, but no worries. Trust me, it's going to pop back up heavy in January. So I'll see you guys later on the next video. Y'all have a great day.